Most people compare lead tools by looking at whichever one has the nicest website, and that's a mistake. Because when you actually put LeadMagic and LeadsForge side by side, the difference isn't small. It's the kind of gap that decides whether your outbound actually works or just quietly bleeds money in the background. And that's why by the end of this video, you'll see exactly which tool gives you more accurate data, more speed, and way more leverage. So let's begin. First, let's talk about what both tools actually do. LeadMagic is framed around accuracy on demand. It enriches stale data, validates emails, gives you mobile numbers, and pushes everything back to your CRM. It's solid, but it's also built like a traditional enrichment engine. You upload your own lists, you wait, and you pay per credit. LeadsForge is built completely different. It's a real search engine. You don't upload stale lists. You don't waste credits on data you already have. You literally ask a question in natural language just by typing a message, and it pulls the exact leads you need with emails, LinkedIn profiles, phone numbers, and all of the data you might need. It gives you the finished asset instantly. Now let's compare the tools feature by feature. Data freshness. LeadMagic improves that data you already have. LeadsForge gives you brand new leads instantly. If you're doing cold outbound, new data always beats recycled data. Search. LeadMagic makes you search via filters and CSV uploads. LeadsForge lets you type, "Show me heads of marketing in the UK at B2B SaaS companies using HubSpot," and it generates the list without any setup. That alone saves you hours every single time. Lead quality. LeadMagic gives you email, mobile, and basic job insights. LeadsForge adds intent signals, LinkedIn, seniority filters if you need to use them, and only verified leads. LeadMagic enriches existing contact fields. LeadsForge enriches everything instantly, including LinkedIn URL, email, mobile, company details, and all the other information you might need. LeadMagic pushes enriched results into your CRM. LeadsForge takes the next step. It can automatically export to a CSV, sync to your CRM, enrich at scale, or push everything to the Forge stack to a live multi-channel sequence. LeadMagic feels like a traditional enrichment platform. Structured, clean, but you still need to know what data you want before you can find it. LeadsForge is conversational. You literally talk to it like you talk to a friend. It finds the leads, enriches them, and delivers the finished output with zero friction. It's all about speed. LeadMagic is batch-oriented. LeadsForge is real-time. One is slow but reliable, another is instant but also reliable and built for volume. Now the most important feature, the pricing. LeadMagic charges per credit. Every email, every validation, every mobile number consumes credits. And once credits run out, you stop. It's safe, but it gets expensive during high volume outbound. LeadsForge is also credit based, but the pricing isn't hidden. You pay $49 a month for 2,500 credits, and those credits roll over. You only pay for valid leads that you use. So here's the conclusion. LeadMagic is great if you already have a giant database and just need to clean it up. But if you want fresh leads, instant data, and AI-powered search engine that eliminates list building completely, then LeadsForge is the better choice every single time. And if you want to see how to actually plug leads from LeadsForge to start running multi-channel outreach with unlimited mailboxes and unlimited LinkedIn sender profiles, then I suggest you take a look at this video right here.